Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on coding with Tynker. We chose Tynker as our teaching technology because of the teaching and learning resources provided and for the ability to monitor your students' individual progression through the monitoring tool. So today we will look at some of the benefits like the tutorials in the classroom. Firstly, we'll look at the class project and the final assessment piece. So students are required to make a video or a game that shows their knowledge of sustainability that they've been studying in geography, science and English. In designing this game, students are demonstrating knowledge and understanding of a range of digital systems used for a variety of purposes. On screen now is an example of branching, whereby the students write an algorithm which needs a decision to be made and offers two different alternative algorithms once a decision is made by the user. This process of writing a branching algorithm falls under the processes and skills strand of the Australian curriculum. Other processes and skills students focus on during this unit of work are writing a simple algorithm and creating user inputs. By progressively working through these sequenced lessons, students should be ultimately able to create a program or a game similar to what you see in our exemplar here. To scaffold students' learning and ability, we use Tynker's built-in learning resources, as we're showing here. Initially, students learn simple algorithms and concepts of programming as they learn to pick backgrounds and characters and create simple steps to get their characters to move and respond. Each of these lessons provides step-by-step instructions on how to use Tynker's code blocks. Once students investigate these underlying concepts, they will be invited to explore creating their own program using what they've just learned. This second tutorial uses user input code blocks, which takes students to the next level and invites them to create an engaging game for the user. As you can see, there's already code blocks added for some of the characters. This enables students to have an engaging game with only minimal input. Once again, students are invited to transfer their developing knowledge into their own creation. Here we have user input. Branching is our final and most complex task. It focuses on making a decision between one of two or more actions, depending on the pre-decided conditions, which are determined by the programmer. Our unit employs Tynker with a constructionist pedagogic approach. Students learn at their own pace, and they learn by doing as they create their ultimate presentation. The scaffolding is there with the built-in tutorials. However, the freedom to explore and create digital solutions in creative and innovative ways is made achievable. For example, what we're looking at on screen at the moment is the template for branching. Once this is learned, we can create our own project and experiment and explore with the different blocks available, find different solutions. Just like the saying goes, there's more than one way to skin a cat. And once again, once the student understands the underlying concept of branching, they can go ahead and apply it to their digital solution creation.